Looking for something stylish, sexy, smooth? Oh, I'm sorry, not me. Beautiful 2025 Hyundai Elantra SEL Sport. It's here, ready for you to take it off of the lot. Starting with lease specials for prices as low as $159 a month for 36 months with only $35.99 down. I'm not sure about you, but I'm on my way there now to go pick up mine. Oh, not leasing? Okay. Well, we do have financing options as well for rates as low as 3.99% for 72 months. Now that's hot. 147 horsepower, 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine for a fun drive, 30 miles per gallon city, 39 miles per gallon highway, great for your wallet, 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Wireless device charging to keep you powered up throughout your drive. And let's not forget about the safety features of the vehicle. We have forward collision avoidance, blind spot warning, and lane keep assist, all to keep you safe on your drive. It's red, white, and blue here at Lynnes Hyundai. So don't forget to stop by in and take advantage of these beautiful deals. And remember, everybody wins here at Lynnes.